Most people walk past borax powder in the store without giving it a second look. But what if I told you that this quiet, old-fashioned white powder can clean a toilet better than many modern cleaners that cost 3 times as much? This is one of those cleaning secrets that Americans used decades ago, before shelves were packed with colorful bottles and harsh chemical warnings. And once you see what borax does inside a toilet bowl, you'll understand why it never really disappeared, it just got forgotten. Take a moment and really look at your toilet. The dull surface, the yellowish stains creeping up from the waterline, the faint odor that never fully goes away no matter how often you clean, that's not dirt. That's mineral buildup, bacteria, and residue layered over time. Most cleaners bleach the surface, making it look clean for a day or two, but borax works differently. It doesn't just cover the problem. It breaks it down slowly, deeply, and effectively, and that's why patience is the secret ingredient in this method. Before you start, don't flush. You want the water level in the bowl to be low so the borax can settle where the stains actually are. If the water level is high, pour a small bucket of water into the bowl to push it down. This simple step is what separates people who get results from people who think borax doesn't work. Once the water is low, sprinkle borax powder generously around the inside of the bowl, focusing on the waterline and any visible stains. Don't be shy with it. This powder needs to sit on the porcelain, not disappear into the water. At this point, something important is happening, even though it looks like nothing at all. Borax is beginning to soften hard water deposits and loosen grime at a molecular level. This is not instant foam or bubbles like chemical cleaners. This is quiet, steady cleaning, the kind that works while you do nothing. That's why time matters here. Let the borax sit for at least 30 minutes. For toilets with heavy staining, leaving it overnight delivers the most dramatic results. While it sits, understand why this works so well. Borax is a natural mineral salt with mild alkaline properties. That means it breaks down acidic mineral deposits and neutralizes odor-causing bacteria at the same time. It doesn't scratch porcelain, it doesn't damage the glaze, and it doesn't release harsh fumes. This is why it was trusted in homes long before modern cleaners existed, and why it's still used by people who care about long-term cleanliness, not just quick shine. When the waiting time is over, grab your toilet brush and scrub gently. You don't need to attack the bowl. The borax has already done most of the work. As you scrub, you'll feel the difference immediately. The brush glides more smoothly, and stains that once felt stuck now break apart easily. This is the moment when people usually get surprised, because the effort is low, but the results are real. Now flush the toilet and watch closely. As the water clears the bowl, you'll see stains fade or disappear completely. The porcelain looks brighter, cleaner, and more even in color. And unlike bleach-based cleaners, the clean doesn't feel temporary. Borax leaves behind a surface that resists new buildup, which means your toilet stays cleaner longer. There's another benefit most people don't expect: odor control. Borax doesn't mask smells with perfume, it neutralizes them. After cleaning, the bathroom smells clean, not chemical, not fake, just clean. And that's a huge reason people quietly stick with this method once they try it. For best results, use borax once every 2 to 3 weeks. This prevents heavy buildup from ever forming again. If you maintain it regularly, you'll never need to scrub aggressively or deal with thick rings. And here's an advanced tip. For extremely stubborn stains, add a small splash of white vinegar after the borax has sat for a while. The reaction boosts cleaning power without harming the porcelain, but this step is optional. Safety matters too. Borax is effective, but it should still be handled responsibly. Keep it away from kids and pets, and avoid inhaling the powder. Used correctly, it's far safer than many harsh chemical cleaners that people use without thinking twice. So the next time your toilet looks clean but never truly feels clean, remember this method. Borax isn't flashy, it isn't advertised heavily, and it doesn't promise miracles in seconds. What it does is better. It works quietly, deeply, and consistently. And once you see the results for yourself, you'll understand why some of the best cleaning tricks aren't new at all, they're just smart.